We're going to do subtraction with borrowing mostly. So a couple things to remember when we are subtracting fractions is that we need to have a common denominator, and we also need to write the bigger number first. So if we look first on number 1, I have the bigger numbers already first, and I already have common denominators. But if you see here, when I look at the 2 and the 3, I cannot do 2 minus 3. So I need to borrow. Take 1 away from the 1, it becomes 0, and then add the bottom to the top. So I end up with 6/4 minus 3/4, which equals 6 minus 3 is 3/4, and that is my answer. All right, moving on to the next one. If you see 3 is bigger than 1, so I already have the bigger number written first, but I need common denominators, so I need to do times 2 times 2. So my denominator is 1/4. So I have 3 1/4 minus 1 2/4. So then I'm going to look, can I do 1 minus 2? And the answer is no. No, I cannot. So what I'm going to do is borrow, make this a 2, and add the bottom to the top. So now I have 2 5/4 minus 1 2/4. So after that, subtract the numbers, the big numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then the numerators, 5 minus 2 is 3. And I end up with 1 3/4. All right, next one, number 3. So again, different signs, negative, positive. That means I'm subtracting. So I need to write the bigger number first. The bigger number is the 6. But I also want to get common denominators. So the common denominator between 4 and 3 is 12. So I need to times by 3 and times by 4. So I'm going to write that bigger number first. So I have 6 4/12 minus 4 9/12. So then I'm going to look, can I do 4 minus 9? No, I cannot. So I'm going to take 1 away, add the bottom to the top, and I get 5 16/12 minus 4 9/12. So now I can subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 16 minus 9 on the numerators is 7, and I have 12 on the bottom. Look to see if that can be simplified, and nothing goes into 7, so it cannot be simplified. Moving on to the last one. I need to rewrite these so that the bigger number's first. So 8 is bigger than 5, so I'm going to be 8 5/6. I'm going to times this one by 2, so I have common denominators. 5 is positive, I'm going to keep it positive. 5 4/6. So I'm going to look, can I do 5 minus 4? Well, yes, I can. So I do not need to borrow on this one. I can just subtract. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1, and I have 6 on the bottom. And then if we notice, my bigger number is negative. So my answer is going to be negative.